how to make Spongebob voice cover with Singify. So just head over and then slide up, and then you should be able to see in here all the credits that you have available. So for this one, let's head over and then scroll down, and you can see in here Spongebob. So if you can't see them, you can head over and then search for them right here. So I'll head over and click on Spongebob right here, and you just need to add in here your audio or just paste a YouTube link. So you have the option upload or record however you want. So for this one, let me head over and upload in here an audio that I will use. So I have in here this right here, this music. Let's head over and open that. And then in here, this will actually load, and this will actually upload that particular music. And when you play for that, you should be able to hear it. Now from in there, click on continue. And then you can choose in here the pitch shift as well as the instrumental pitch. And you can also in here see the advanced settings. And you can see that it actually shows in here a credit that it actually takes. So you have in here the full song for 800 credits, and you also have in here 45 seconds for 200 credits. So for this one, I'll head over and then just choose the 45 seconds and then click on this 200 credits option right here. As you can see, this will upload, and then this will convert the SpongeBob theme. So in here, you can head over and see that it is actually converting. And once it's done converting right here, you should be able to see SpongeBob sing or say this particular audio that we have uploaded right there. So just wait for this to finish and you should be able to hear it. So that's how you make SpongeBob voice cover with Singify. Hope we helped.